So many of you were having
Start.
queries
How do you want?
that what type of what textbook you have to uh, purchase for the new semester. Okay, so you have to purchase this textbook which I have sent you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, boys, is it clear?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
I have also sent the PDF of the lesson. Did you see lesson number one?
Ma'am, textbook or written
नहीं,
part?
lesson number one की PDF भेजी है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so see that you all purchase that textbook, and still if you have any queries you can call between 5 to 6. Okay, okay
Okay,
boys,
ma'am.
is it clear?
Ma'am, what?
Textbook, many of you were calling, so I request you that call between 4 to 6 or 5 to 6. Okay, not after that. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
and and
हेलो
see.
मैम,
हाँ बोलो.
आप बाहर से नहीं करवाओगे ना?
सॉरी.
आप 5th स्टैंडर्ड में बाहर से करवा देते सोशल की बुक में।
हाँ तो
हाँ तो इस बार भी बाहर से करवाओगे?
नहीं नहीं,
ओके।
this time we have our textbook. Okay, we are going to do that from that. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So we'll first do from the presentation our first lesson, that is lesson number one. Let us know history. Okay, what is the lesson's name, beta?
Let us know
Let's
history.
know the history.
Let us
Yes,
know our history.
yes. If you remember, so I have been teaching you in the fifth class. I taught you about let us know
History,
of our
yes.
history. Remember?
Yes. Yes.
So we'll just do the revision and then we'll start the lesson. Okay.
Kalpatra.
Can you see my screen?
Ma'am,
मैम आधी दिख रही है।
हाँ, I'll present again. No problem.
यस मैम।
yes,
Now
ma'am.
it's
Now it's visible.
यस
so
मैम।
so the lesson name
Topic
is
of
let us
history.
know our history. Okay. From if you remember the last class we had learned there are many sources of history around us. Do you remember which are those sources of history? Anyone remembers?
Ma'am, that Kalpatra and that all
Sorry.
old house.
Can you anyone of you say what are the sources of history?
Ma'am, house is old house.
Can you
Houses.
speak? Your voice is very soft. Can you speak a little loudly, because?
Yes, ma'am. Sources that come old house and that.
Okay, old house. You mean to say monuments?
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. Monuments. Okay, very good. Then,
Then, ma'am, King's Mahal. That.
hmm? Sorry.
Ma'am, that King's temples.
Okay,
Mahal.
kings' houses, kings' temples, means palaces, temples. All this goes under monuments. Then, whatever you remember, you say. Okay, shall I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you remember we read about sources in the sources of history? We read about some sources like if you remember then we read about coins, photographs, yes,
Yes,
yes, weapons, tools,
yes.
remember inscriptions, artifacts, all these are what beta? They are sources of
Sources of
history.
history.
Yes. Now, what who all brings this to us? That we will see. So various historians, archaeologists, they study the past. They study the past events, and then they let us. They give us the perfect information. What do they do, beta? They give us the perfect information, and they are known as sources of history. Okay, what are they known as, beta?
Sources of
Sources
history.
of history.
Yes.
Sources of history.
Yes, very good. They are known as sources of history. Now, what do these historians do? You know, these historians work like the detectives. You have seen Crime Patrol, CID, right? In that detective comes, what
Yes,
do they
ma'am.
do? What do they do? They investigate the
Yes, investing
minor,
that what happened here and
sorry,
there. Ma'am, they're investing that what happened here.
yes, they investigate, right? They investigate the various things, and then they come to a conclusion that who did the robbery, who did the murder, and all this, right? Same as same. Historians also analyze their sources, okay, in much the same way that the crime scene investigators, okay, but they examine their clues in a laboratory. Is it clear? They try to find out in the laboratory. Understood? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am, understood.
Okay, chala. Read this slide, beta.
Ma'am, can I ask some capacity?
Yes, Hassan Kapasi, you can.
Yes, ma'am. Sources of history. How do historians find out about the past? Things
Hassan, can you
there,
set your mic in
there.
such a way that we can listen you carefully? Your voice is slow.
What, ma'am?
Can you set your mic in such a way that we can listen you clearly?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Sources of history. How do historians find out about the past? Since they were not there, they must use clues just like detectives. These clues can be written, visual, or physical. Actual objects used by people from that time. Historians analyze their sources in much the same way that crime scenes investigators examine their clues in a laboratory. Historians use two major groups of sources for their investigations about the past: prim- primary sources and the secondary sources.
Very good. So, what do they do? They find out the past. है ना? See, all this is what. See, to know history, the sources are many, like palm leaves, barks of trees, paintings, sculptures, pillars, coins, bricks, bricks એટલે કે eat, stones, tools, food samples also sometimes they are found, bones of animals and humans, ornaments, costumes, diaries, scriptures, etc., etc. All this become useful. to know the history. So they are known as sources of history, right? Now, social science gives us information about the social world of human beings. What does it give us information about, beta? The social world of human beings. Okay. What does it do, beta? It introduces us to the present social life, while history gives us information about the past human society. Is it clear? Past में हम क्या करते थे, कैसे रहते थे? All this we get information from the past. Do you get my point? Hello?
That man, uh,
Hello?
historians that find, man,
Hmm?
that
Say?
historians find out clues and means that say that old people do that
Yes.
and that.
Yes. And that comes to us, and so we come get many information of that, right? That is what? That is the sources of history, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Now we will see article. Now, can you see this example? See, these are weapons, these are tools, and these are pottery items. Okay? All these items give us information about the past of human society. है ना कि people used to use this type of tools. Do we use nowadays this type of tools?
No, ma'am.
No, we
No.
use modern tools, right?
Yes.
Do we use this type of weapons now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. What type of weapons we use? Modern weapons. Police, and they all use this type of guns now.
Who? Police?
Huh?
No, ma'am.
No, they use modern weapons, latest weapons, right?
Yes.
Then this type of pottery items, do we use for our storing grains? No,
No,
we use
not
for
of
the
studying
decoration.
green.
Yes, we use different types of things for our today's life, right?
Ma'am,
So
but
same,
for
huh, beta?
planting we use. But
Yes, yes, planting. So they are known as primary sources. मतलब कि हमें जो basically we get information from all this, that is known as primary sources. Okay. Now artifacts are what? They are objects made by humans, not by machines. Okay. And they can tell historians about the time in which they were produced. Okay. It, which time it was produced. Suppose, for example, CEAD, we see many BC, CEAD. Do you know that what is the meaning of BC?
which meaning, ma'am? Which meaning?
BC, CE,
D
like this way it is written in many places.
D
B dot C, then A dot D. ऐसा लिखा होता है ना?
Yes.
Do you know the meaning of this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. तो BC का मीनिंग है, write down, before Christ. Before Christ means before the birth of Jesus Christ. Written?
Ma'am, 1 minute. 1 minute. B
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Not this one. I am
A
speaking that you write down for your general knowledge.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you
B
said
A
PDF
and
or
N.
BC.
ma'am in Fairbook or in Rough Book?
Rough book, beta. Only two statements you have to note down.
What,
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am.
BC. BC means before Christ. Means before the birth of Jesus Christ.
Ma'am, written BC before Christ.
What you wrote say?
Ma'am, BC word means before Christ.
Means before the birth of Jesus Christ. ऐसे लिखो. Means
Okay, ma'am.
MEANS means
Means
before
before of
before
birth of before.
the birth
Yes, ma'am.
before the birth
The birth
of
of
before the birth of Jesus
Christ.
Jesus Christ. JESUS. Jesus
Just right.
JESUS. Jesus Christ. CHRIST. Christ.
Ma'am, what is spelling of Jesus? JESUS.
JESUS.
हेलो मैम.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I'm written.
हेलो मैम.
Hmm?
क्या लिखने का है?
And Christ spelling is CHRIST.
Ma'am, AB,
Ma'am, done.
AC means,
AD means I'll say you. Wait.
ma'am,
Written?
yes, ma'am, written, but
हेलो मैम, क्या लिखने का है?
It was just the information about BC. Okay? BC no full form શું થાય?
before Christ means before the
Just for your
birth of Jesus Christ.
just for your general knowledge. Because in history you have to deal with dates.
Yes.
AD
Ma'am, in
એટલે કે
AC we write after Christ.
no AC ના આવે AD આવે એટલે any domain after the birth of Jesus Christ.
AD. AB
AD means
after,
ha
after the birth of Christ. Jesus. Yes, ma'am, written.
very good. Now where we were, that was just for your general knowledge, okay? Because in
Okay.
history many places we will read
Ma'am,
all this.
second statement is what?
Second is just
AB after birth
beta
after the birth of Jesus
AD
Christ.
means any domain and that is after the birth of बेटा किसी के माइक से बहुत आवाज आ रही है. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, second statement तो बोलो.
It's you can write CE, capital C, capital E.
CE. Ma'am, written.
Hmm? That is means common era. COMMON common era. ERA era.
Yes, ma'am.
Common era.
Ma'am, done. Yes, ma'am.
and while you can write BCE कहीं पे है ना BCE भी लिखा होता है BCE स्पेशली आप कोई
Yes, ma'am.
स्पेशली व्हेन यू गो टू विजिट एनी मॉन्यूमेंट तो वहां पे ये डेट्स लिखी होती है तो इट्स फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग BCE
Ma'am, what
means
is full form of BCE?
before common era.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Before common era. But you know beta very often chronologically it is written CE instead of AD. AD जो एनाडोमाइन है ना उसके बदले CE लिखा जाता है मतलब कॉमन एरा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, बस यही दो स्टेटमेंट है.
हाँ
BC और CE.
हाँ वो आपके जनरल नॉलेज के लिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see here, what can you see in this slide? Who will say me? What you can see in this slide?
Ma'am, the sources of history.
Pottery.
What are they?
Picture of potteries and
Ma'am, the
monuments
vessels,
and coins.
the museum, the coins, the Tatpatras, Bhojpatras,
Very good.
Then
and
coins
ma'am,
of
vessels of
gold.
history.
Sorry.
Vessels, ma'am, vessels.
Yes. So what do we come to know from all this? Who will say me? We come to know different sources of history. This is a monument. If you see old coins, see, do we have this type of coins nowadays? If you go this type of coin and ask for a kurkure packet, will the man give you? Shopkeeper, will he
No,
give
ma'am.
you?
No, ma'am.
Huh? He will not give you, right? He will ask you for the present currency, right?
Yes. Ma'am,
Then,
there is note of 10 rupees in old.
huh.
No,
Then
5
these are
rupees, ma'am. 5 rupees.
tadpatras, pottery works, vessels, photographs. All these tell us about the sources of history. What do they tell us, beta? About the sources of history. Okay, we come to know about all these things from different such sources. Okay, now हमें क्या समझ में आता है? For example, if we see a coin, okay, if we see a coin, what do we come to know from that coin? What do we come to know from that coin, particularly that coin?
That old money of
Okay, very good. See, from that point, we can come to know that how the people of that particular era, particular time, they how would have they used these coins for their, for their purpose of business, है ना? For their purpose of, trading, right? Because जो भी वहाँ उस टाइम के जो राजा थे, जो किंग थे, they were making their own coins, their own currencies. Like presently we have currency. That currency is different to the currency of the uh, last time, right? Previous time, right? So we come to know from this that how they used to do their work. And monuments, मॉन्यूमेंट से हमें क्या पता चलता है? बताओ चलो, कोई भी मॉन्यूमेंट हो, बिल्डिंग हो, पुरानी बिल्डिंग, ओल्ड मॉन्यूमेंट, तो व्हाट डू वी, हाउ इट इज हेल्पफुल टू अस इन नोइंग द हिस्ट्री? हु विल से मी कि किसी भी मॉन्यूमेंट से, फ्रॉम एनी मॉन्यूमेंट, हाउ विल वी कम टू नो द हिस्ट्री?
ma'am. In old monuments, we can find
हाँ
important thing that we never see in
बेटा,
like
योर वॉइस
in
इज
a
वेरी
monument.
सॉफ्ट.
All monuments.
कैन यू स्पीक अ लिटिल लाउडली बेटा? हाँ
Yes,
बेटा.
ma'am. 1 minute.
हाँ.
Ma'am, in old monuments, we can
वेरी
things
गुड, ट्राई.
that people use. And ma'am, in some house there is bones of people and ma'am, and
यस.
dresses of that old people.
Okay, okay, very good. Chalo. Okay, we come to know, you are right, that we come to know that how those king used to live, the lifestyle of that particular king, the lifestyle of that particular era. Okay, see, if you see presently, so we live in a pakka house, yes or no? Then in the before many years, many
Yes,
years, thousands of years ago, people used to live in what type of houses?
ma'am, that
What type
not
of
ma'am
houses?
proper house, but wood,
Huh?
wood house. wood, house of wood.
They use wood. Then they used to live in the caves, kacha house. After caves,
Yes.
they started living in kacha house. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So what it is that these people lived in the uh, houses made up of. We come to know what type of houses they lived in, what was their way of living. Okay, this king, they've constructed many monuments. Like the monuments की बात करें तो कहाँ पे कैसे temples बनाते थे. फिर temples के साथ साथ they used to make this, what to say, buildings, palaces. Understood? So all these are known as what? Monuments. There are many monuments in Gujarat, as well as there are many monuments in, you can say, पूरे इंडिया में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे monuments हैं. Understood? So they used to construct all these monuments for the knowledge of the, and we come to know how, from the historians, from the archaeologists, those who study all this, and then they give us all this information, right? Then same as same photograph, है ना? And all this also give us information about all these monuments. Is it clear? See, monuments मैंने आपको बोले ना कि बहुत सारे हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम इंडिया में ही बात करें तो ताजमहल, देन कुतुब मीनार, है ना? ऑल दिस आर मॉन्यूमेंट्स दैट गिव दे मेक अस नो अबाउट हिस्ट्री. और अगर हम गुजरात की बात करें तो गुजरात में सोमनाथ टेम्पल है. किसी को पता है सोमनाथ टेम्पल? वो प्रभास पाटन इन जूनागढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ गुजरात है.
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना? तो उससे हमें क्या पता चलता है कि वो कैसे बनाया गया था, किस राजा के टाइम पे बनाया गया था, who were the rulers of that period. All this we come to know from all these monuments. है ना? देन अगर हम इसकी बात करें, द्वारका की बात करें तो वहां पे भी द्वारकाधीश में एक ह्यूज टेम्पल है. तो वो किस राजा के टाइम पे बनाया गया था, कौन से आदि शंकराचार्य और वो उस टाइम पे. हाँ, सन टेम्पल की बात करें तो सन टेम्पल कहाँ पे है? महसाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट गुजरात में. किस राजा ने बनाया था? तो किंग भीमदेव ने बनाया था. तो ऐसे सारे मॉन्यूमेंट्स कब बनाया था? तो इन 1026 CE AD में बनाया था वो. तो ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन वी गेट फ्रॉम वेयर? फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री, राइट? अभी जो मैंने जो भी बोला, कुतुब मीनार है, किसने कुतुब मीनार देखा है? हु हैज सीन कुतुब मीनार?
Ma'am, I am not seeing.
You have not seen? Who has seen? It is in Delhi. Where it is? So Qutub Minar. Okay, no problem. If you have not seen, I will say you. It is the tallest architecture monument of India. You know, monument है वो. पर कैसा आर्किटेक्चर, उसमें बहुत सारी आर्किटेक्चर वर्क की गई है. और इट वाज, उस पे जो कार्विंग्स है ना, दिखाई गई है ना, वो वर्सेस ऑफ कुरान है. वर्सेस फ्रॉम द कुरान है. क्या है बेटा? कुरान के वर्सेस लिखे गए हैं उसमें. वर्सेस फ्रॉम द कुरान है. और इट इज अ मीनार मेड अप ऑफ रेड सैंडस्टोन. कैसा मीनार है बेटा वो? रेड सैंडस्टोन से बनाया गया मीनार है. ओके, so all these are what beta? They are monuments of India. From that we come to know about our history. है ना? Understood? Yes. So who, our ancestors have left behind many things, and they serve as an evidence to know the past. What do they serve, beta? As an evidence to know the past. Okay. For example, gold coins, है ना? Many gold coins made of gold, silver, copper, and other metals have been found in our country. Right? Yes or no? Beta? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then you see inscriptions. Yes, understood that earlier everyone what are the sources of history?
Yes.
Yes, who will say me some sources of history and how they are helpful? Chalo, say me the answers now, revision time.
Some old
Huh?
coins,
Very
old
good,
houses,
very good.
old temples,
Sorry?
old temples,
Old temples,
monuments,
okay. Hmm.
coins, then
Very good,
some
very good.
bones,
Sorry?
bones.
Bones. Yes, from bones. Bones of animals, bones of different human
Or,
beings. Huh?
yes, ma'am.
Then, or how do they help us?
Farming and
Hmm?
farming,
Hmm?
then vehicle of old vehicle.
Hmm?
That,
Steel.
ma'am, vehicle
Sorry?
that they use cow.
Cattle. Huh.
Yes, that.
What type of instrument they use for the farming? Very good.
Yes,
Tools and weapons they use for hunting. Then,
yes. Then they made vessels.
yes, all these are known as sources of history. As I
Sources of it.
yes, and we get the evidence. We serve as an evidence to know the past. Understood? Understood? History is what, beta? History is what? Huh? History क्या है बेटा?
What, ma'am?
What is history? History is the same. So,
Yes, history tells us old things,
हाँ,
past.
हाँ. Introduces us to the present social life, while history gives us social science क्या होता है बेटा? It gives us introduces us to present social life. Okay, okay. And when history gives us information about the past of human society. Okay, what does it give us information, beta? About the past of human society. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Any doubt till here, anyone?
No, ma'am.
So, if I say you today to write a short note on sources of history, will you be able to write down?
Means houses, old coins, and that, or another
What
short note.
what all are sources of history? Best. How history is helpful, how historians gather the information and they send to us. Can anyone also write down?
Ma'am, never tried.
Huh, beta?
No, ma'am, never tried. So that.
Yes, you can try. You can write in your own words.
That, ma'am, old people do that and do that and that all.
Huh, huh. Can you try?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we try.
All of you will try.
Yes.
Okay, then you send to me only, okay? Not your follow-up teacher because I will check it, okay? The other homeworks, yes. The
Okay, ma'am.
other homeworks, आप सारे
Ma'am, what we have to write?
uh,
Yes.
we have to write. You have to write the sources of history. The short note. What are the
Okay.
sources of
Sources of
history
history.
in your own Vanji? Your in your
Hindi.
own words, okay?
Okay. ओके मैम।
मैम फुल लिखने का है।
What beta? Short note in your own words. Like how you write an essay in your own words? है ना? You write or not?
यस मैम।
राइट राइट।
मैम आपको डालना है सेल्फ को।
Send it to me. एक ही homework है, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Have a nice day.
ओके मैम।
ओके
Other
बाय।
homework?
बाय मैम।
बाय मैम।
बाय बाय।
Wait,
बाय
wait.
मैम।
I'm speaking something.
बाय मैम।
बाय मैम। बाय मैम।
बाय मैम। नाइस डे।
Beta, I'm
बाय मैम। बाय मैम। बाय बाय बाय। बाय डैंसी।
बाय मैम।
Hello.
बाय बाय मैम।
Chalo. So see that you
यस
complete your.
मैम।
ओके ओके।
Hi, everyone's mic turn on. Huh?
यस मैम।
See that you don't keep on turning your mic.
मैम।
ओके मैम।
Hassan, you purchased your social science textbook?
Not have. Sorry. Good.
Hassan,
यस मैम।
you purchased your social science textbook?
नो मैम।
Okay, no problems.
मैम
School
आई
will show
हैव
you when.
सेमेस्टर 2।
Semester 2 is not of this semester. We have only one semester book, okay? One book only. Both the semesters are in that book only, okay, boys? Chalo, bye, all of you.
मैम मेरे पास एक बुक
Bye
है
मैम।
उसमें पहला लेसन
बाय
6 से
मैम।
20 थी वो
बाय
वाली है
मैम।
मैम।
बाय बाय मैम। बाइक ले। अरे हम बाइक में ले
बाय।
जाओ।
बाय मैम।
बाय मैम। बाय।